We are going to start the doctors matching or teaching, giving the treatment to the different types of illnesses. So first of all, we will write what type of Dr. Shraddha is. What type of Dr. Shraddha is? Orthopedic. Orthopedic. What does the orthopedic treat? Orthopedic treats to the bone. So bone, come near that orthopedic Dr. Shraddha. Okay, take all the boys in the shooting. Boys and girls should be there. Now next is Bandal. Okay, what type of the Dr. Bandal is? Dentist. Dentist gives the treatment to the teeth. Dentist gives the treatment to the teeth. So teeth, come near dentist. Be careful. Next is, what is next? Siddhi. Siddhi is next, na? Siddhi is ophthalmologist. What is Siddhi? Read loud the spelling of ophthalmologist. So what does the doctor ophthalmologist treat to?
Eyes.
What does? Eyes. So eyes, come near ophthalmologist. Okay. Okay. Now next is, what is the next? No, ophthalmologist we finished. What is your name? What is written on the Pradnya? Pradnya, what type of doctor Pradnya is?
Cardiologist.
What is?
Cardiologist.
What is the spelling of cardiologist?
Cardiologist.
Cardiologist. The doctor cardiologist treats to loudly.
Heart.
He gives treatment to the heart. Heart is the very important organ for animals as well as human beings. So the heart patient come near the Dr. Pradnya. Pradnya, you don't go there. Next is Vaibhavi. What type of doctor she is? Neurologist. What is?
Neurologist.
Read the spelling. Neurologist. Neurologist gives the treatment to the animals. चित्र वरती neurologist gives the treatment to the yes brain and spine. Come near. वरती जरायचं ते तो कलर केला नसेल, no problem. If you don't give color to it, no problem. Okay, next is Shraddha Zanjane. What type of doctor she is? Yes, Sujay, you are reading correctly. Read it again. Pediatrician. What is, how to read? Pediatrician. Read the spelling. Pediatrician. Pediatrician, what type of patients are there? Small children or kids. So come near, small children or kids. Don't waste the time. Take it up. Don't shy, don't laugh. Next is what type of the doctor that, what is your name? Harshada is? Veterinarian. What type of doctor she is? Veterinarian. And veterinarian gives the treatment to the animals or humans? Animals. Whom does he treat? Animals or humans? Animals. Loudly. Animals. You are, don't worry, don't fear. Your answer is correct, but you losing confidence. Have a confidence. What type of doctor, what type of patient the veterinarian treats? Animals and birds. So, animals and birds are near them. So, see, these are the doctors having a specialist and the patient's type of they give the treatment we have seen. So, first of all, see, she is orthopedic, gives treatment to the bones. When we meet with an accident, our leg, hands gets broken. So this doctor makes us cure, gives us treatment. Dentist, this doctor is nowadays very famous. Our teeth's shape is not proper. To bring our teeth in the proper shape, this doctor helps us. So dentist gives the treatment to the teeth. Next is ophthalmologist. This organ of our body is very important. Using this body part, we see the beautiful world. So this doctor gives treatment on the eyes. With the help of eyes, we see the world. So this doctor helps us to give our back eyesight. Helps us. Next one is cardiologist. Cardiologist doctor is very important doctor. If we don't have eyes, we don't have ears, we don't have leg, we can live properly. But if we don't have the heart, then we don't live. There will be Ram Naam. Heart is very important organ of our body. Every day we should run for our life. If your heart is well and good, our life is very and good. So heart is very important. This cardiologist gives the treatment to the heart. Then next is neurologist. What is? Neurologist. This brain. Whatever the progress today we are making in the world, that is because of our brain, because of our talent, because of our intelligence. So brain is very important. In order to have our brain safe and sound, this doctor gives us a treatment. If our brain is not working properly, people say he is mad. People say he is mad. If our brain is working, we are wise, we are clever. So neurologist doctor is very important to treat our brain. If you give the color, it will be look very nice. Don't worry, no problem. Then next is pediatrician. The job of the pediatrician is very difficult because he treats the small babies. It is the small babies, and babies can't speak. Do they speak? No. Then doctor has to. We can say that he has a fever. He has a fever, or sometimes he is vomiting. He is vomiting. Okay, we tell that. Or he has a loose motion. He has a loose motion. But other type of illnesses that baby can't speak. Baby can't speak. So pediatrician has to be very clever. Give the proper treatment. The last doctor, but very important doctor. The last doctor, but very important is veterinarian. This baby we can tell, but that doctor can't, that animal or bird never speak to us. He speaks in his own language, but we don't understand his language. Do we understand doctor bird's language or animal's language? No. What problem he has, we don't come to know. But this doctor gives the right treatment to that bird, to that animal, and the animal and bird gets cured. So this doctor has to be very clever. But unfortunately, to get the admission, here is less merit and here is more merit. Am I right? म्हणजे हा डॉक्टर बनायचा असेल तर मेरिट जास्त असतं, ह्या डॉक्टरला मेरिट कमी असतं. इकडे पेशंट गेलं तरी कोणी काय बोलत नाही, इकडे गेले की लगेच मारते, ठीक आहे नाही. बट इन ऑर्डर, द लाईफ इज फॉर ऑल इज सेम. सगळ्यांचा जीव सारखाच आहे ना. का प्राण्याचा जीव वेगळा असतो म्हणजे काय? त्याला काही संवेदना आहेत की नाहीये? आपल्याला जसं संवेदना आहे तसं त्याला दुखणं आहे, संवेदना आहेत. बट दिस डॉक्टर हॅज टू बी व्हेरी व्हेरी क्लेवर अँड हिज जॉब इज द टफेस्ट जॉब. The job of veterinary doctor is very very tough job, and that is what is we are going to learn in our poem The Vet. Would you like to learn the poem The Vet?
Yes.
Would you like to learn the poem Vet?
Yes.
Very good. Please have a seat. Okay, stop it.